ASAP Tree Cutting has a little firewood business. You get to pick all your own pieces, 100 pieces for 40 bucks. I've been here probably 5 times. It's fun. You get to stand on the pile and chuck wood into the truck. This is another great advantage of having a used truck. I told the kids that they could only they could only miss twice, and on the other side they've hit right here twice, but didn't do anything.
Well, I only hit this mostly.
I know, you did good. Good job, kids. Buy yourself a used truck so you can have more fun.